For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning. My name is Katia, and I will guide you through this morning practice to wake up your body, your mind, and your whole being, and to prepare for a beautiful day of presence. I invite you now to sit upright. You may sit on your chair or with your legs crossed. Allow yourself to feel into every sensation inside your body. Allow yourself to look around. Observe the space around you with curiosity, and then slowly lose the focus in your eyes, as if you're blurring whatever you see. And when the outer world is blurred like this, it is easier for you to direct your attention inside. Now please bring your attention to all the sounds that surround you. They may be loud sounds or very quiet sounds. You may even hear your heartbeat. Notice what is happening around you and inside you. And when you're noticing the sounds, I invite you to draw your attention inside. And now, please rub your index finger and your thumb just to feel the sensations of your skin. This simple gesture allows you to bring your presence immediately into the body. If you haven't yet, please close your eyes now and dive with all your attention inside yourself, noticing what is happening inside your body, curiously observing and not trying to change anything. This morning, you will be present with yourself, and you will create some pleasant sensations inside you to launch a blissful morning and a beautiful day. First, I invite you to simply follow your breath, breathing in and noticing how your breath enters your chest and your stomach, and breathing out, keeping your attention inside. And just like this, your breath becomes a magnet for your attention, and you allow yourself to observe it, to feel into it. Breathing in breathing out. And noticing this process that maybe usually we take for granted, but in itself it's a miracle of life. Observing and noticing and not trying to change anything in the way you breathe. And now, while your eyes are closed, you allow yourself to imagine, to visualize you're sitting somewhere in nature and a beautiful landscape is around you. You may be in a field or in a desert or by the ocean or on top of the mountain. No matter where you are, there is a wide open space around you. And you are able to see the horizon everywhere you look. In this space, you are alone but not lonely. And now, as you're breathing, I invite you to inhale the sky into your lungs and exhale the sky into the earth. Don't question how to do it. Just imagine, visualize, do it intuitively. Now I invite you to inhale the earth into your body and exhale the earth into the sky. Your body is slowly relaxing as if it's merging with the environment, becoming liquid, transparent. If your breath becomes more shallow, it's totally okay. I invite you to trust your sensations, to observe your feelings. And now to slowly draw your attention to your heart center inside your chest. I invite you to feel into your chest and to notice what is happening there. Notice without judgment. Is there any contraction or any expansion? Is there any heat or cold? Any kind of sensation that you can notice. Not just notice it, but live it. Allow yourself to feel it. This is what it's like to be alive. Now inside your heart, I invite you to visualize, to imagine something that you're grateful for today. It can be anything, a feeling, a thought, a behavior, an object, a person, a place. Anything that comes to you, imagine it and feel the gratitude inside your heart. Allow yourself to feel this gratitude to the fullest. Not only visualize, but feel. And how would it feel if you multiplied this gratitude 5 times? Allow yourself to feel this gratitude not just in your heart, but in your whole body, in your whole system. That's right. Imagine that you are inhaling the world into your heart, and as you exhale, you pour your gratitude onto the world. And this gratitude goes out of your heart as beautiful golden light, and it fills the space around you. It surrounds your body. It puts you in a golden bubble, the bubble of love. And then it spreads beyond the room, beyond the house. And you're sharing this light and love with the whole planet Earth, with your home, with your city, with your country, with anyone who needs light and love right now. And you smile to yourself. What a beautiful beginning of the day. And then you bring your attention back into your heart. I am not sure how you're feeling right now. Maybe your heart has become softer. Maybe there is more presence and attention inside you. Now inside your heart, I invite you to visualize one result you want to create today. What will it be like once you have finished it? Imagine the picture and also feel the feeling. Is it going to be exciting, joyful, happy? How will you feel once you have created this? And while you're feeling the feeling and visualizing the picture, I also invite you to multiply the feeling 5 times and feel it with your whole body. That's it. Do not just imagine, but live it as if it is already your reality. Indulge in this feeling and let it follow you throughout the day while you are creating your result. And now, bring your attention to your heart and one more time feel into the sensation. As we are coming to the end of this practice, I invite you to use your willpower and to make an intention. Now I am relaxing my body. And from this relaxed state, answer this question: what is my intention for the day? How do I want to feel? What do I want to do? What do I want to create? Hear the answer. Thank yourself. Inhale deeply into your chest, and whenever you're ready, start to slowly open your eyes. Thank you for this practice.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.